Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply back up your Android contacts to your Gmail account. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you click on contacts on your phone. Allow it to load up right here. And once it's loaded up, this is going to pump up right here on the contact. Sometimes it might take some minutes before this actually pump up. You just need to exercise a little bit patient and allow this pump up to come up on your contact section on your Android phone. Once this is pumped up, next thing you need to do is to make sure you select your Google account. So if you are using multiple Google accounts, click on here and choose a Google account that you would like to back up all your contacts into. So I'm going to leave it in this particular one right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on turn on backup and synchronize. Click on that. And this is going to pump up here. Also synchronize 45 contacts from multiple SIM cards. Remove copy from SIM. Also synchronize 45 contacts from multiple SIM cards. To keep SIM contacts backup and available across Google services, import them with Google Contacts. They will be on this device and anywhere you sign in, including your next phone number, including your next phone. What you need to do right here is to simply click on this particular remove copy from SIM after import. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on import from SIM and synchronize. Device and SIM contacts will synchronize. Then here, scroll down right here, you're going to have a backup progress, just like what you see right here. Now, you have successfully backed up all the contacts into your Gmail. And for you to have access to those contacts that you just back up, click on the profile icon from the contact section right here, and it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Google Accounts. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you go ahead and then look for people and sharing. Click on that. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on contact right here. So here we go. You have all your contacts successfully back up into your Gmail account. You can scroll down. You can see as at the time of making this video, I have about 489 contacts successfully back up into this Gmail account. So it's that simple. So the more you scroll down, the more all the contacts you have in the backup section right here. So you can see it right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.